In this video, I'm going to explain different planes in AutoCAD and how to switch the planes in user coordinate system. When you check UCS icon, you will have XYZ plane, which is X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. To draw an object on the screen in 3D, you will require at least two planes, which is X-axis and Y-axis, and it is by default whenever you try to create a geometry, only X and Y plane are available, which is top plane. So if you want to draw an object in different planes such as Z plane, then we need to use UCS. First, to enable UCS icon on the status bar. I can't find here. Let's check customization pattern and tick from here, then turn on. Now I can draw anything in any plane. Just select the plane and draw your object in that plane. If I want bottom side plane, I can do it. This is one of the easiest way to switch between planes, by taking references of existing geometry. What if you don't have existing geometry? If you have blank space and you wish to create in different planes, then in this case you will have to use coordinates. For example, if I want this face, then I will have to check which plane this face lies. This is right face according to this icon. Then select that face in this flyout. Now you will be able to draw the selected plane. Same way, if I want this plane, then check the plane. After that, choose the corresponding coordinate in this flyout. This way you will be able to draw different planes using coordinates. Unfortunately, this method does not have all the planes. For example, if I want this plane or the inclined face, there is no coordinate for the inclined face. Now we need to introduce another method since we cannot apply coordinate system in this plane. For that, click this flyout and select the last command. Notice that you have the UCS icon moving with your cursor. Place any face you want and that plane will be selected as default plane. Now when I try to draw a geometry, the default plane which is selected will be drawn in anywhere on the screen. If I select this plane, then the geometry will follow the same view you have chosen. Now if I want to create a 2D object on one of these view, it's not possible. For example, take a circle, then place it here. When you orbit, you will notice that the 2D object is separated from the view, and that is because you did not align it with the 2D plane. For this case, you need to select the second option in this flyout. Then choose the view in which you want to align the 2D object and press enter. Now you will be able to draw correctly. One of the easiest way to use the UCS icon is by pressing this origin button whenever you want to switch between planes, just like this. If you want to save the current UCS for the future, you can do that by clicking this button under view cube, select new UCS, then choose coordinate. Suppose I want this as X-axis and this Y-axis. To save this configuration, click then change to your name and press OK. Now our UCS is the current view, as you can see here, and whenever you want you can modify it according to your needs. While drawing, you can press view cube top edge to see different planes, or go to custom view and choose different view. When done, press home view. It will bring you back to origin. You can also orbit it by typing 3D orbit and press enter. You can find orbit symbol here and you can use it as well. This was all about user coordinate system UCS in AutoCAD 3D.